Clean out my dirty car with me. What even is that? Is that a Cheez-It? Hold on, I think that might be a Cheez-It. That's a Cheez-It. Hand sanitizer, pepper spray, deodorant, which I'm probably gonna need after this really bad. And of course, some napkins from McDonald's. Oh, and we can't forget about the straws. Come on. Oh, and the most important thing, my registration. But who cares about that? All right, so I have this makeup bag. It's pretty dirty, but you know, it'll get the job done. I get the job done.
Would you like to help me clean my car out?
Crocs. Bob Ross. Ow, I just hit my head. Put that bitch right back in here. These really aren't that bad, honestly. Oh, I spoke too soon. What the fuck is that? Who's shit in my car, bro? Oh, it's not on. Okay, we're on the passenger side. I really have no clue what that is. Oh, who the hell was bleeding in my passenger seat? If it adds this fucking filter one more time. This is the real me, guys. My dad's gonna fucking kill me. Okay, we're gonna remove our little friends for now. And this is my strawberry milk. This is cream cheese that I got on my dashboard. Okay. Oh, what the? Oh. You want that ammonia free, brother. You want that pneumonia free. You don't want pneumonia. That's good enough. Let's do the inside. Oh. Oh my god, that went right in my mouth. I'm actually so fucking grossed out right now. Gotta put the strawberry milk back. I'm gonna put my succulent just in here for now. Last step. Put all the shit in. Look at how gorgeous, and the sun's out. The mats definitely need to be cleaned, but I think we did pretty fucking good.